the most common Shona phrases that you're going to come across as a beginner. These are just basic phrases and you're going to learn at least 20 of them. So let's begin. Let's start with Hesi. Hesi. This one means hello. So that's a word or a phrase that you can use to start a conversation, but it works in an informal situation. That is when you're talking to your siblings or maybe you're talking to your friends, right? So you can say Hesi, that's hi. Then another one, you can say Moro, and it means the same thing as Hesi. So what are the Shona words for yes or no? Do you know them? Alright, let me show you. Yes, if you want to say yes in the Shona language, you would say or wongu. Or hongu. But most of the time, the Shona people themselves use but hongu still work. Okay, what about no? If you want to say no in the Shona language, you would say ayo or kwete. Kwete. Most of the time, Shona people use aiwa instead of kwete, right? But both of them work really well. What if you want to say my name is? If you want to say my name is, you would say zita rangu ndinonzi. Zita rangu ndinonzi. Then you say your name. For example, my name is Ethan. Zita rangu ndinonzi Ethan. Zita rangu ndinonzi Ethan. Or you can just say ndinonzi. Ndinonzi. So ndinonzi, I'm cold. Ndinonzi Ethan. I'm called Ethan, right? So it's one and the same thing. What about thank you? How do you say thank you? Maitabasa. Maitabasa. Or you can also say ndatenda. Ndatenda. That is, I thank you. If you want to say excuse me in Shona, you say pamsoroi. Pamusoroi. You're welcome. That's Zakanaka. Zakanaka. What time is it? What time is it? Ingwai. Ingwai. Nice to know you. Tafara nekukuzivai. Tafara nekukuzivai. Right, you must know this. You must understand this. In most cases, Shona people don't say nice to meet you. They say nice to know you, especially when you're meeting for the first time, right? So they say nice to know you instead of nice to meet you. So if you want to say nice to know you, you would say tafara nekukuzivai. Tafara nekukuzivai. Okay? What about good morning? Mangwanan. Mangwanan. Good afternoon. Masikati. Masikati. Good evening. Maneru. Maneru. Good night or have a good night. Murare zvakanaka. Murare zvakanaka. It literally means sleep well. Sleep well. But in English, it's equivalent to good night. How do you say how much? How much? How much is this? How much does it cost? How much? You'd say imari. Imari. What about have a good day? Have a good day. It's muve nezuva rakanaka. Muve nezuva rakanaka. What day is it today? What day is it today? Nasi chingani. And by the way, feel free to check out the lesson on days of the week in the Shona language, and the link to that lesson is in the description down below. And thank you so much for watching. If I might ask, are you finding this lesson helpful? And if so, don't hesitate to smash that like button and to subscribe to the channel.